This is the no-bake pumpkin cheesecake that actually slices clean, creamy Philadelphia-style filling, a gingersnap pecan crust, maple-candied pepita crunch, and a toasted marshmallow crown. Stick with me, because the secret step that makes it set perfectly is coming up. Here's what you'll need. Full-fat Philadelphia cream cheese, pumpkin puree, nut pie filling, powdered sugar, warm spices, heavy cream, and a little unflavored gelatin for that bakery-style slice. For the crust, ginger snaps, pecans, butter. And for the signature crunch, pepitas plus maple syrup. First, line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment. This tiny step makes releasing and serving way cleaner later. For the crust, mix gingersnap crumbs, finely ground pecans, brown sugar, and a pinch of salt and drizzle in melted butter until it looks like damp sand. Press it in firmly, especially the corners, then bring it about 3/4 of an inch up the sides. Chill the crust while we make the filling. Now the fun part, maple-candied pepitas. Warm maple syrup and butter until it bubbles. Stir in pepitas, cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of smoked salt. 2 to 3 minutes is all you need. Spread them onto parchment and let them cool completely. As they cool, they turn into this addictive, crunchy topping. In a cold bowl, whip heavy cream to medium stiff peaks, fluffy, but not dry. Then pop it in the fridge while we build the pumpkin base. Beat the cream cheese until it's totally smooth. Don't rush this. Then add powdered sugar, pumpkin puree, vanilla, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, a tiny pinch of clove, salt, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. For clean slices, bloom unflavored gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then warm it just until it dissolves, never boiling. This is what helps the cheesecake set without tasting like Jell-O. To avoid little gelatin bits, whisk a few spoonfuls of the pumpkin mixture into the gelatin first, then pour it back in and mix until silky. Now fold in the whipped cream into or 3 additions. Go gentle. This is how you keep that light, mousse-like texture. Pour the filling over the crust, smooth the top, and tap the pan once or twice to release air bubbles. Then cover and chill 6 hours minimum. Overnight is even better. Right before serving, whip a little cream, fold in marshmallow fluff, swoop it on top, and toast it if you've got a torch. Finish with that maple pepita crunch ring and slice with a hot, clean knife. For the full recipe and extra tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.